This is Dr. Kamel again, and a new content related to the preparation for the physical therapy license exams. I have candidates who are taking the American exam, the Canadian exam, and also the Australian exam. And they have people who are following and watching these videos just for getting more information, more knowledge, and both of those these groups are very welcome to follow and watch me. So if you didn't watch any video for me before, please let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Dr. Kamel. I work as Associate Professor of Physical Therapy in the United States, and I'm a licensed physical therapist also in different states over there. I'm a licensed physical therapist also in the UK and Egypt, and I have got my PhD back in 2011 from University of Nottingham in the UK. So let's go for today's content and see what is this question about. The question saying a physical therapist reads that the inter-rater, and please pay attention to inter-rater because we have intra-rater and inter-rater. So the language is important here. Inter-rater reliability of a new handheld dynamometer is, 0.93. Okay, this should be like this. Okay, then what is the most appropriate interpretation of this value? This value is about, a new handheld dynamometer, which was used to determine, the strength, force of the hand, with different raters or different physical therapists who used this dynamometer. And the number which we have got for this experiment was zero point 0.9 or 0.93. What does this number means? Means that there are similar scores were obtained for a group of subjects when different therapists measure the subjects? Might be. Similar scores were obtained for a group of subjects when the same therapist? No, no, because this is inter-rater reliability, repeated the measures. These similar scores were obtained for a group of subjects when different therapists measure yeah, they are different therapists. I agree with that. But if, we have these similar scores, we will not get this high value, 0.9. This similar scores, again, I don't think that this represent the similar scores, were obtained for a group of subjects when the same therapist. No, it is a different therapist. So basically, the answer is number one. This number represents similar scores were obtained for a group of subjects when different therapists measure the subject. Okay. So what is reliability? If I am saying that you are a reliable person, like every task I'm giving to you, I'm trying to depend on you, you do it. Okay. You are, always coming almost at the same time every day. You are consistent, you are reliable, stuff like that. So reliability refers to the consistency or repeatability of a measurement. Like if I am giving this handheld dynamometer to a physical therapist and we obtained zero point 0.5, another one 0.7, another one 0.9, another one getting zero point 0.1. This is not reliable. This cannot be reliable. Inter-rater means that we have different raters, more than one rater or one therapist or one researcher doing this experiment, okay, or inter observer reliability. So this indicates the degree of to which different examiners or raters obtain similar results when they are measuring the same phenomena or the same thing, okay, under identical conditions. So it is the same conditions, different researchers, different observers, different therapists, whatever, doing the same experiment, and they are getting similar results. Okay. So the value of 0.93 on a scale from 0 to 1 shows a very high reliability. Greater than zero point 0.9 means excellent reliability, in fact, and between 0.75 to 0.90, this is a good reliability. Less than 0.75, this is a poor to moderate reliability. Okay, so since we have got 0.93, this means high reliability, different therapists, so that's why it is inter-raters, and because they have got consistent and similar scores across different subjects. Let's look at the incorrect answers. Similar scores were obtained for a group of subjects when the same therapist repeated the measure. So one researcher, same observer. This actually is not intra-rater reliability, test-retest reliability, not inter-rater reliability. Okay, so in this situation, the same therapist is repeating the experiment one, two, and three, four times, whatever, you know. So it is the same rater and may be able to reproduce the same result across multiple trials or times. So this is not correct, or this is not what was mentioned in this question. These similar scores were obtained for a group of subjects when different therapists measured the subjects. These similar scores means that we have a poor reliability, but in this question we have 0.993. So this cannot be, a good answer. These similar scores, again, 0.93 does not represent that. And same therapist will be not inter-rater reliability. So to summarize, option one is inter-rater, different raters obtain similar scores. This is the correct answer. Intra-rater means same rater obtains similar scores, and so on. Okay, so basically, we are trying to concern the variation or examine the variations between scores, and we might get a score from 0 up to 1. So reliability of 1 means that there was total agreement in scores, which is very rare. And so a score of 0.93 means that we have a high degree of agreement or high reliability of the results which were obtained from dynamometer testing or dynamometer use among several therapists. And that's why option one was the correct answer. If you would like to join my BT license exam preparation course, please send me a WhatsApp message to these numbers 00144224870206 or 00201027743702. If you would like to apply and join the post professional or the transitional DBT at the University of Montana in the US, we can get you a discounted rate, which we can get that in order to facilitate learning for physical therapists. Please also send me a message or WhatsApp message on these numbers. I will, give you all the details regarding application, required documents, and everything for the program. And finally, I would like to thank you for watching my content. Please subscribe to the channel so you can receive updates for my videos. All the love for you, all respect for you. Please try to encourage your colleagues and from students or graduates to join and my channel. This would be much appreciated. Thank you so much and see you in a new content very soon.